Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by preparing the surface. Wash the fabric to remove oils and residues. Do not use fabric softener because it blocks adhesion. Once the textile is dry, test your chosen repellent on a small 1 cm patch so you can verify compatibility. Apply the first thin, even coat with steady, sweeping motions, keeping the nozzle 20 to 30 cm away. Make sure to work in a well-ventilated area or outdoors. Safety protects the results. Once the initial coat is tacky, continue by building 2 to 3 thin layers to create a uniform barrier. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes between coats so solvents evaporate. You want coverage without saturation. Too much product reduces breathability and feel. If the repellent specifies heat activation, carefully heat set. Iron on low through a pressing cloth or tumble for 10 to 15 minutes as directed. This step locks molecules in place, which increases durability and water beading. You finish by letting the fabric rest for the recommended cure time, usually 24 hours, then test with a water sprinkle. You should see beads that roll off. If beads form, you are done. If not, inspect for contamination or overapplication. For wear-prone spots, plan touch-ups every 6 to 12 months. If water soaks instead of beading, rewash with a degreasing detergent, dry, and repeat the thin coat process. This removes residues that prevent bonding and restores repellent.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.